All right, so we got the assignment open. You need to right click the file and do open link in new tab. All right. That is, yes, you are going to have to download the file. And when we download it, this is why I'm saying pay attention to where it's about to save to. I've got it saving to robotics, but if I click downloads, it'll go into the downloads and I hit save. I've done it before. Something that you can do once you saved it is see how the Chrome download bar is already here. If I just click this file, it's going to automatically go ahead and open it in Autodesk for me. Right. Notice that it's a .idw file, so it's a drawing file. All right. So let's let Autodesk load up. It'll show everything.
Jeremiah Brian. Like it won't.
So here's the file. All right. Couple of things that you're going to have to do though. So we're in a drawing file. We have to be able to edit the sketch. So if we go back to the instructions, and I'll just show you this, you can see that the file currently looks like the before. All right. You are going to need to right click. I'm sorry, we might not need to right click. Sketch one in the browser over here. Right click and we need to edit sketch one. Now all of our drawing tools are pulled up, okay? All the geometric constraints that you're going to be using are right here. Once again, if you hover over something, it's going to tell you exactly what it does and give you a picture of it, okay? Let's look back at the instructions again real quick. It says, once again, choosing the Show Constraints tool in the Constrain panel under the Sketch tab. So we're in the Sketch tab. We look at the Constrain panel here. You don't see it right now, but if you click we should be able to usually click the drop down. Not quite working right there. There is a show constraints keyboard shortcut. If you hit F8, it will show all constraints. So if you do the F8 button, it shows all constraints. F9 hides all constraints, F8 shows all constraints. So I'll just quickly show you one thing about how these constraints used. Number one here where it says make perpendicular, all right, we're going to find the perpendicular constraint. All right, now if I click on one, I want this to that. So let me just show you this real quick and then I'll let y'all get used to doing this yourself. I like to say that the constraints work on a make this to that basis. So if I say perpendicular, I say make this line perpendicular to that line. The first line that you click, make perpendicular to the second line that you click. Watch out, if I do it in reverse, this is the one that will stay the basis. So I make this line perpendicular to that line. So whichever one you click first is the one that you're going to change, and the one that you click second is going to be your reference line. All right. So go through, explore the constraints. When you're finished, once again, take a snip or screenshot of this, add it to the file right here with all that we need, answer the conclusion questions, upload, and we're done for today.